What's up, everybody? I'm hungry.
No, that's not a why question. That's a yes or no question. I said I don't.
Okay, so I'm playing Minecraft. Don't really know what to do. Gotta get food, gotta get food, gotta get food.
Anybody else? You shouldn't be uploading until you're ready to do your video and then you upload it.
I'm doing my video right now. I'm playing a game. That. So yeah, guys, this is my Skyblock Island on Minecraft. I will give you guys a tour, I guess. Down here is a little pool just for fishing and for fun. Just for some fishing stuff. That's not exactly what that is. But also, once I get up, this used to all just be dirt. And we converted it to cobblestone with sides on the edge. So let's go explore this area. This is the main area for cobblestone generator in the main house. I will show you this parkour map later. But if you guys don't know, I will be also playing with BS Juice. He is my brother-in-law in Minecraft. Down here, I'm scared to go down here because I haven't been down here in a long time. I don't have a weapon on me. I'm scared. Creepers. I don't want to be down there because there's creepers. Okay. If that thing explodes, I'm going to be... Oh, no. I can't get up. Oh, yes, I can. Oh, gosh. I didn't know creepers can climb. What? How does creepers climb ladders?
Ouch! Yeah.
How do creepers climb ladders? I don't even have a weapon on me. Oh, I suppose I do.
Mom, what are you doing in there? I hit my ankle.
No! Stop! What?
Think it to yourself. You don't need to speak.
The door.
Freaking creepers. I forgot how to get there. Let's see. I forgot how to get back. Slash. I must be retarded. Okay, I must be retarded. Okay. I must be really retarded. Okay, I'm really retarded. I don't know how to do this. So, it's my dad's. I'm gonna go play another game. let's go play fighting PvP game. Let's go. Leaky block. Alright. So, comment down below if you like Minecraft.
Rainbow!
You okay? Rainbow? Okay. Yeah, comment down below if you like Minecraft and if you would like to play with me. My gamer tag is Buzzy2014. It's my skin. Yeah. Let's see, let me do this one. Lucky blocks, gotta break them all.
Swifters do that.
Oh gosh, not gonna mess with him.
What'd you do about it?
Where am I? Oh, I died. That's a lucky block. And I had an unlucky block. Ooh, boots, that's good. Gosh, freaking dogs hate me. Oh, that's good song. Let me do those Pantaloni song. Oh gosh. Okay, that was a good thing, not bad. That wasn't TNT. Okay, that's the saddles. Go check out my previous videos, Call of Duty, I'm Sick, and some Roblox videos, because I like Roblox as well. This game's really laggy. Oh, what happened? I'm not going to really get stuff yet, besides Pantalones and whatnot.
Put it in the jar and then I'll go from this one. Put it in the jar, I'll go from this one.
Ooh, this might be good. Did I? No, I didn't get one. Let me put them in it. No, nothing happened. Okay. Please don't be bad. Painting. Just a painting. Oh, Betty. Yes. That's very, very good. Those are not good. That's not good at all. What happened? Oh, how did I die? Let me...
Well, then mine is like... Jacob.
Yes. Little small mandarin oranges? Yeah. Ooh. That's awesome. I don't need that stuff. I don't need that sort of... Let's go. Discover what's out there. There's a lot of lucky blocks in one place. Please don't... Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I need to go. 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 Gunfire. See, this is how strong this sword is. I don't want that slime to come kill me. Oh, it's over there. And it closest to the stairs. Yeah.
Up or down?
Down.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that was a bad idea. That was a really bad. There's someone over there. Wait. Kill that squid thingy. It's not a squid. It's so loud. Oh. That's really good. That could have been very, very bad. Oh, someone's getting killed. Someone's getting killed. Oh gosh, there's someone right there. There's someone right there. Oh. Never mind.
We're going.
I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry.
I know.
Oh, I need to team up with him. Die, you scalawag. Oh, freaking kill me. Where is he? Kill me. Where'd he go? He's somewhere around here. Go around it. Don't look anymore. Cool. Very bad as well. Alright guys, that's gonna be for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe and share if you liked it. And have a great day.